In this video, I want to show you how to convert amounts in words in Excel. That is how to convert your number to words in Excel. So open your Excel and press Alt to F11 to open Microsoft Visual Basic for applications. So once it's open like this, come to Insert and click on Module. So it will open the module code. Now copy the code. The code is in the description box of the video. So just copy the code, highlight everything, right click and copy. Then come back to this very module, right click and paste. Then click on close. Then close this Visual Basic. Now come to here and type your number. There are two ways of doing it. It's either you type it directly or you do it indirectly. To do it directly, you have to enter equal to spell number. Then enter the number you want to convert. Let's say 34.5. Then close the bracket and click enter. You can see it has written the number you enter in words. Alternatively, let's undo. Alternatively, you can enter those numbers just like this. Enter all the number you want to convert to words just like this. Then come to the column like this column and press equal to spell number. Then click on the number you want to spell and close the bracket. Click enter. You can see it has written the number in words. Then you can click here and drag to write for the remaining one just like this. So you can see now we have written the amount in words. This is the amount in figure and we have successfully written it in words. This is how to write numbers in words or amounts in words in Excel. Thank you for watching.